Life is beautiful, but are we truly living it? Happy greetings, everyone. My name is Anak Singhi. I am a participant of English speaking and personality grooming training at IICS. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present my presentation on the given topic 7 ways to live a beautiful life. Life is beautiful, but we are not living it beautifully. Not because life lacks beauty, but because we have forgotten to see, feel, and live it that way. Just recall those days when you used to go to school, enjoy with your friends, come back home, watch cartoon, complete your homework with the help of your mother, and then go out and enjoy with your friends in the colony. How beautiful those days were. How much happiness you had that time. But now we are just working, following the same monotonous routine every day. Waking up, scrolling. Eating, scrolling. Scrolling and sleeping. Just scrolling, scrolling and scrolling. We are just following a monotonous routine and not doing anything constructive in our life. Do you want to change your life from monotonous to successful to a beautiful life? Do you want to change your life? So let me tell you the 7 ways to live a beautiful life. The first, have faith in God. Believe me, if you have the faith that God is with you, then you will achieve the infinite beauty of life. God's plan is far better than our plan. Always have the faith that God plus me equals to everything is possible. The second way is to have the quality of thankfulness. Be thankful to God. Be thankful to your parents, to your friends, to your teachers, to your supporters. Thankfulness is the easiest way to get the respect and love which you deserve. If you want to live a beautiful life, then get the quality of gratitude, as gratitude is the best attitude you could have. The third way is develop the fitness in your body. Fitness does not mean that you are going to gym. Fitness refers to your stamina, it refers to your mental stability and to your agility and reflexes. You must have heard that health is wealth. But actually, health is happiness, and happiness is the beauty of life. The fourth way is have the happiness in your heart. Be happy from what you have. A poor person living a happy life is living a more beautiful life than a person living a luxurious but an unhappy life. Be happy from what you have. See, happiness leads to a beautiful life. If you want to be successful and live a beautiful life, then must be happy. The fifth point is never wait for the perfect moment. If you want to be successful truly in your life, then stop waiting for the perfect moment and start putting your efforts to create the perfect moment. This best present to have is the present. The best gift you could have is the present moment. This is your time. The best time to start is present, and the best present to have is now. Take the step and start rolling. Stop scrolling through reads and start rolling yourself into action. Sixth, service to mankind. Serve to people. Try to improve someone's life. Try to help someone. Do something for good of the society. Always take an act for the justice. Service to mankind is equal to service to God. Mother Teresa said that. We can take the example of Mother Teresa. Just by serving to mankind, she got the global recognition, love and respect. Once Mahatma Gandhi said, if you want to find yourself, then you lose yourself first in the service of others. The seventh one is have the self-belief. If you have the self-belief, then you are unstoppable, unimaginable, and unbeatable. Ronaldo and Virat Kohli both said that when we enter the arena, we feel that we are the best and no one will do it for us. We have to do it. Now, these are the 7 secrets. Follow this to make your life a very beautiful life. With your kind permission, now I would like to rest my words, leaving you all with a few lines. Look back and get the experience. Look forward and get the hope. Look around and know about the reality. Look down and be grounded into humility. Look above and trust the divine. Look beside and cherish true companionship. And look today and let every moment count. And then let the world see how successfully you achieved your happy life. Thank you.